Welcome back to John Cleese Cardio. My name is Max. Today I've got a brand new, straight from the main dealer, Lexus, around the corner from us at John Cleese in Reading. Now this brand new Lexus has come in for some essential security items. A lot of these vehicles are nicked, very nickable and highly desirable Lexuses in general, from RX, NX to all the others in the range. This has been in for multiple layers of security because the customer wanted the best for his new car. We've actually fitted the Autowatch Ghost to this car and also a Trak Deadlock Pro. That's actually got a 3-stage security system. First stage being a tracker, which has tags, which if anyone tries to start the car without the tags being present, the customer will be called, and there's a 24/7 monitoring company, a call center, which will be monitoring the vehicle. The second stage is the deadlock, which means there's Immobiliser on this tracker, which means with no tags there's no start. And then the third stage is that it has OBD port immobilisation, which basically means a diagnostic on the port, which thieves use to code keys up to the car and hack the vehicle. They cannot code or get new keys added to the vehicle, so it's unhackable via the OBD port unless granted permission by the customer. I'm going to give you a super brief just walk around it and a little show. Here is the vehicle. A lovely little beast. I'm just going to give you a bit of a show on how the Ghost works in it. If I hop into the interior and I shut the door, I'm going to press start on the car. Now the car actually won't go into its ready to drive status until we enter the Ghost code. The Ghost code at the moment is just a temporary code just before the customer comes to collect it, which is on these buttons here, which is lock, unlock, lock, unlock. We get 2 flashes from the dashboard there, and now when we put our foot on the brake and start, we now get the ready symbol down there. Without that ready symbol, the car will not go anywhere. So now I can put it into drive, I can move the car forward and backwards. Before, you will simply not get anything. And that's just the Ghost. The Ghost is a fantastic security product, even on its own for these vehicles. The customer obviously wanted multiple layers of security. So he has the Trak, which has got a full app and monitoring service monitoring it, which will call you if there's ever any suspicious activity. But the Trak system, you have these tags. These tags are basically the ID tags for the vehicle. And as soon as these are picked up by the tracker, it will unimmobilize the system. Without these tags, there is no start anyway. The system is completely blocked. And also, you can actually block it from your phone via an app, which means that if you're going on holiday and you're not going to be driving the car for maybe a week or 2, and you don't want anyone to even drive it, even if they get your keys and they think they can try and hack the Ghost code, they will not be able to do anything. So that's your second layer of protection on the deadlock. And then the third protection is the OBD ports. There's an OBD diagnostic port mounted down below in this car, which thieves will commonly connect to, hack through the OBD port to code their own keys up to the vehicle and get it started. That has also been immobilized, so 24/7, 365 days a year, this OBD port is blocked unless unblocked by the customer when going into a trusted dealer. That app that you get with Trak gives you all tracking, notifications of what journeys that have happened on the car, and also allows you to manually unimmobilize it from the app too. This is just a super brief video. Please do get in contact with us if you want more information on how we can protect your Lexus from going missing. My name's Max, this is John Cleese Car Audio, and I'm signing off. Take care and goodbye.